Where's all the petrol gone, Nan? For God's sake, Nan! I thought you completed all 12 steps.
Oh.
Excuse me, Skylander buddy, but that whatever on a stick I got from the snack bar is doing terrible things to the old Flintster's insides.
Bohemian. Oh, you want to make this a throwdown? Would you fellows mind playing another less pungent game?
Hey, now you're talking. Would you cut it out? I'm trying to eat. Here he is, folks. Fred Freakazoid, the monster weight belching champ.
I don't have my pie yet.
Hey, isn't that Langston? I bet he wants to send someone to a party.
Oh, no! Time to eat and run! Hey, where's my raisin pie?
I was going to ask the same thing.
What the?
Franklin, you took our pies.